Hello, Chargers. This video is going to show you how to access and navigate EBSCO Explorer for middle school. And again, we will start on the Houston ISD webpage. Go to the Power Up Hub. Select More and Digital Resources. Over on the side, we will be in the Library References section. And over here, you will look for EBSCO Host Research Databases. Down here it says EBSCO eBooks. Now the user ID is lowercase, one word, Houston ISD. The password will be on your English teacher's Google Classroom page. I cannot share it with you here, but Miss Woodard, Miss Parker, Miss Scher, they have it. They will give it to you. Okay, so we want secondary research, grades 6 through 12, that's us. Okay, and it's going to look like this. Up at the top is where you can navigate your topic, and we will keep the topic Jim Crow laws since that was the sample given in the Google slide about your research project. So as you type your topic, it will appear in the drop-down menu. You can get very specific or keep it general. I like to start out with it general, so I'm going to go to the top. Okay. It gives you 28 search results. And it numbers them. It'll tell you what they are. Maybe they're a newspaper article or a magazine article. In this case, it's an ebook. Over here, always make sure that this is selected. You want the whole book, the whole newspaper article, the whole magazine article. Otherwise, you might just be given a paragraph. You want to make sure you've selected or that it's defaulted to full text. Here, you can change the publication date in the box or just slide this over if you want to make sure that your publication dates are as recent as possible. And it's going to say here the different types of sources. In this case, since we changed the publication date, it reduced it from 28 resources to 19, and they are all ebooks. Okay. And here, it has it in PDF file as an EPUB. You can download it to your device, to your desktop, your laptop. It provides the table of contents. Let's go ahead and click on this one just to see what it looks like. Okay, great. On the side, you can skip around to the different chapters, or if they don't have chapters, the different major sections. You can email specific pages if you want. If you don't want to email the whole book and you found what you're looking for on pages 50 through 55, you can email those pages. You can print them out. You can cite it. And of course, in middle school, we cite MLA. You can highlight and copy paste. They do have a dictionary right here for you. You can export the citation. So export the citation. And then you can also, it'll say, well, there's a limit, but they can send 100 pages to your Google Drive. So you need to know specifically which pages you want to send. Otherwise, I think it will just send like page 1 through 100. So if you want to send page 123, it's not going to be on there. You have to tell it which page you want. because this book has 232 pages. But it will send the entire thing to your Google Drive. So here, over on the side, you can navigate through this vertical bar or use the arrows. You can make the font bigger. Let's let it load. Make it smaller. Change it to full page so you can see what the entire page looks like. This is a cool resource. Within this book, you can look up a certain person, a certain term, a vocabulary term. Let's see. Along with Jim Crow was the rise of the Ku Klux Klan. So you can type that. And it will tell you anywhere in the entire book that you can find that term. And if you click on it, you can go to that specific page and it will highlight where it found it up here. Or you could go to this specific page and it will highlight where it found it. So if you're looking for a specific term, that's fantastic. Clear the results and you can go to another term. You can also take notes. So as you're writing, if you see something that you need to remember, or something that sticks out at you as particularly interesting or relevant to your research, you can take notes here. I always like to do an asterisk. Okay. You can sort it by page or by the date that you found it, and at the end you can print the whole list if you want to. All your notes will appear here with the citation up on the top, which is good. Okay, so that is just a really good resource to search within the entire book, take notes, see the table of contents, you can skip around. Easy to send it to yourself, easy to cite. If there's a word you don't understand, you can type it in the dictionary. It'll define it for you. If you want to start over, new search term, and go back to the beginning. Awesome. EBSCO's great. Okay, so good luck with your research. Happy researching, Chargers.